Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Hair Loss Show. In today's episode, we're going to talk about topical minoxidil and compare 10% versus 5%. So stick around.
Welcome to the Hair Loss Show. Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. So topical minoxidil is great. It helps stimulate the hair follicles. It's very safe to use. You can buy it over the counter. Really, with the topical format, there's very little in terms of side effects. And so commonly over the counter, certainly here in Australia, you can purchase 5% topical minoxidil, both in the liquid format and also in a foam format. But what we're seeing a lot of people prescribing and people starting themselves on is a topical solution of higher concentration. So some people will get it done at 7.5%, excuse me, and also commonly 10%. And so the question obviously arises, well, what's the difference between 10% minoxidil and 5% minoxidil? Is there a difference? And the answer is, well, we don't know, is the honest truth, because 10% sounds better. 10% sounds as though there's twice as much minoxidil, and therefore, you know, if you follow that logic, maybe it's twice as effective. I think in reality that's probably not true. There's no data at present to suggest that 10% is better than 5%. And that's probably because there is a law of diminishing returns. So if you plot, efficacy over concentration, you probably find that it improves and then it flattens out. And at what point does this flatten out? Well, we think it's sort of around about the 5%, and that's why the original formulations were at 5%, meaning that increasing the concentration up to 10% doesn't really significantly improve the outcome. So the honest answer is we don't know. Certainly it's not an issue to take a higher concentration of minoxidil. The downside associated with that is that it may cause a little bit more vasodilation of the blood vessels in the scalp. It may cause a little bit of headache, lightheadedness. Those are combinations that you need to sort of see if that affects you in any way. But generally speaking, I don't prescribe 10% minoxidil because I haven't seen a significant improvement over 5% minoxidil. So most of my patients will go on 5% minoxidil, and if I feel that they need a booster of that, instead of trying on a higher strength, I will switch to oral minoxidil unless there's a particular reason why I can't do that. So I hope that answers that question and you found that bit of information useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next episode. Take care.